Found this really large saw blade in the garage. Not really sure how it's going to cut. It's really thin, really dull. Test one with the saw blade I found. It's Al at Home Scholastic Records saw blade. Victim 1, old Samsung phone by Sprint, which is smashed. No, it can't be.
It is. You're gonna miss out on the snap, dude.
I know, but that's what I'm waiting for.
All right, well, you're missing out right now.
Saw blade shattered, cutting through phone. Next test coming soon. Next test, piece of paper. Can the jagged-like structure cut through cardboard now?